I just wake up off a power nap, ayy. These niggas fruit like some sour sap, ayy. Call me the zap, I bring power back, I got the loudest .5 a pop,
The fruit like some sour sap.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Back in the video for you guys. Now today we're back in. Today is the British Virgin Islands or the US Virgin Islands. Guys, I am sorry I messed it up the last one when I did Peanut the Reno song. It's like, you know why I put British Virgin Islands in that one? Because in the location where when he posted the video, I saw British Virgin Islands in there, so that's why I did that shit. I'm not sure yet, so you guys are really getting me hip on what's going on for real. As you can see, I just started doing reactions for you guys. You understand me? So you know, you support me, I support you, and I want to say thank you very much for the support. You understand me? So guys, please subscribe to the channel though. Like, come on, y'all. You see me? The video's getting 7K views, 8K views, 9K, 10K views, right? Subscribe to the channel. You feel me? Like, touch the subscribe button, dog, and like the videos. And you comment on this video to see your comments right over there in the next video that I post. I post every single day. You understand me? Go follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs to know what I'm gonna post. It's gonna be right there, Tyrekevlogs. You understand me? Yeah. So also what going right now? We have Deh Wapp. You feel me? Featuring Deh Wapp and Flizop. You understand me? Out the way. Y'all been recommending this from I started. So you know, say you really need that one. Yeah? And the reaction boss gonna really prove to us, say, yo, it's time. It's run tune.
If you go stupid when you mix that shit.
What going on? Oh, the way. Alright. The beat. Wait, whoa. Wait.
Hey, I quick to go rap shit and go in my way. Yeah. I shoot in my Glock, now the app blow away. The plug feel the vibes and he tell me to stay. Don't fuck with a man, but that man gotta pay. You ain't wanna get touched, so stay all the way. You playing with money, so shots gotta spray. It's either you up with that cane, you away. The plug feel the vibes and he tell me to stay. Don't fuck with a man, but that man gotta pay. You ain't wanna get touched, so stay all the way. You playing with money, so shots gotta spray. It's either you up with that cane, you way. Nothing I do and just stay in the bit. Ain't wanna hear sorry. Them slugs hit the face, just watch who you trust, cause these niggas is snakes. If I'm bossing you too, then you can't hang with me. Been rolling wrong, hitting and missing a thing. Them shots coming fast, are you hearing it's ping? This chopper song lovely, I love how we sing. You been trapping a while and ain't making a thing. And ain't making a thing.
You see the cushion deck, but pause. So this flow he giving me right here is way different because he did the Spot'em Got 'em remix, right? And I reacted to that one for him. If you didn't go check it out, go check it out. Yeah, that one didn't perform that well on the channel, guys. I guess you guys didn't get a notification for that one. Go check it out. That's why I tell you guys to subscribe, because I do representing for you guys. You understand me? When I see you guys show me love, I show you back. You understand me? But this is a different flow from that one. But that was a remix though, you feel me? And I mess with this. I mess with this from more than I mess with the Spot'em Got. Go on!
Titty face, just watch who you trust, cause these niggas is snakes. If I'm bossing you too, then you can't hang with me. Been rolling wrong, hitting and missing a thing. Them shots coming fast, are you hearing it's ping? This chopper song lovely, I love how we sing. You been trapping a while and ain't making a
this
thing.
dude said this chopper song lovely, love how it sing. You hearing what going on right now? You hearing the lyrics right now? Even my voice change. Why me at all like that? Go on!
And ain't making a thing. How you say you run down? Get lost in the wild pussy nigga, put your gun down. No, he dead. He been dropping shells on them dude every day. It been on my face, had to find me a way.
What?
It's either you stand or you late.
Alright.
Put on the rules for kids that want play. Let's do that life in a game. You gotta go roll on somebody. Gotta get all the ups all the way. If you can't do the job, and just pay.
I want to ask you one question now. Who is he talking to? Oh, I'm not African. Who is he clashing with? Or this is just some bad man lyrics? Is this just bad man lyrics? Or is actually a lyrical battle going on right now? Or the lyrics them just iconic? You feel me? Is it just lyrics? Or there's a meaning behind it? No, you know, I like the clash. You understand me? So let me know, because you don't want the clash hype man. check the channel out. Go on.
Niggas dying every day. You can get a brain on your own. If I hungry, I do it on my own.
Okay.
Tell a bitch don't be calling my phone. Bitches always be yelling, just slow what your tune. Try nigga catch me a bag. Once I pull out the scope, he get tagged. Freeze. Wounds will be ready to squeeze when them shots bring a note. I'll let man quick to scream. Why you in roll with your steel?
Yeah.
Gotta stay with my fuck by my side.
Yeah.
Me a chop, I don't roll with no nines.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't roll with no nines.
I just wake up off a power nap. Ay,
Here comes,
these niggas.
here comes. Alright. Guess what now, people? You understand? Fire emojis in the comment section right now. Like, it's the anytime I try the lighter, you're supposed to comment a set of fire emojis. 3 per comment. So 3 sets. Let's get it right. You think me a joke? I'm serious. I'm not joking. I'm dead. You see nobody a laugh? Look. Nobody not laughing. There's no one laughing. Comment the fire emoji. You just coming somewhere again, like, come on. Alright, go on. This is what I go on for you, no brother. Go on.
Hey, cut me a chop, I don't roll with no nines.
I like the waiting for it right here.
I just wake up off a power nap. Ay, these niggas fruit like some sour sap. Ay, call me the Zop, I bring power back. I got the lowest 0.5 pop.
The fruit like some sour sap. Like, where else are hearing these lyrics? Nowhere.
I ball like I just win the power ball. Yeah, if you want to talk, it's a throw a call. Yeah, and I got a shots that will show her.
Yeah,
9/11 we make towers fall. Yeah, I get it up so the way. My diamonds they come from Kuwait. Say you want smoke, get a drop where he stay. From the crest, so I bleed blue and gray. In the rock on the lane with a wop them. Niggas crazy till we pull up and spot them. Yeah, they turn normal, yeah, they turn regular. They hate me and my team cause we ain't regular. Boy, what you smoking on this shit irregular. Boy, what you smoking on that shit irregular. When they see ops, I just up and let it blow. Niggas they hate me cause I steady up and smoke. Police they trying to listen and tapping.
Yo, you know why I like your music so much, y'all? Your flow is unique. Your flow is different. Like, you know, I don't get this from reacting to like the Jamaican music. You understand? I don't get some reacting to the Caribbean music like per se. Yo, like this is just different, dog. It just, I don't even know if it describe. It's like a rap, but it got a little Caribbean vibes to it same way. You know what I mean? We just mess with it heavy. What y'all call it? It's like rap though, I ain't gonna
I get racking, I aim with a chatting. When I touch the hammer, I just be spazzing. Niggas say that they want smoke, well just tapping. Niggas be talking through a bitch page. I just buy me a brand new 12 gauge. She want me call her, but I don't do callings. I smoking on this load, I up till the morning. Hitty one shot, not a pussy boy crawling. I be with the balls like I from New Orleans. Sipping the syrup, but I smoking the earth. Reggie in your joint, but we call that shit dirt. Boy, you a bitch, you need pull up your skirt. Don't be a ass in your block, you get murked. I put my gun in cause I don't get searched. My hand was peeling from selling them perks. For the feds, it ain't gonna be good if I ain't got my meds. We gangsta live and keep one in the head. Say he want smoke, so he sending the lead. I in the stew with a wop on drama. I don't think you want the drama. Me and the wop fucking up the commas. Fucking with me, then we up in Hummers. You want the beef, put you on the burner. Smoking a load, this shit come from Bonner. Say he want beef, put him on the burner. The ops of the way, yeah, we up in numbers.
Bad. I enjoyed this video. I did enjoy it. What are your thoughts down below in the comment section as usual? You understand me? Keep recommending y'all songs. But you know the best place to reach me, people, will be Instagram. So you guys need to go follow me on the gram right now. It's right here. Tyrekevlogs. Go follow me on the gram right now. You understand me? That's the best place to recommend y'all music, y'all. So leave a like, leave a comment to see your comment next video that I post. You understand me? Subscribe to the channel. Recommend the channel to your friends and families, you understand me? If you subscribe already, to your mother, your brother, your uncle, your sister, your auntie phone, and hit the subscribe button. We're grinding right now. We're posting every single day because we're trying to reach 100K by the end of the year. We're Boss saying out still, so peace.